In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a new page in Wix. Whether you're new to Wix or looking to expand your website, adding new pages is an essential skill that can elevate your site's functionality and help you present more content effectively. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. This is where all the magic begins. Open your browser and head over to the Wix website. Enter your login credentials and you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. If you're already logged in, you can skip this step and jump straight to the dashboard. This central hub is where you'll manage all aspects of your website, from design elements to SEO settings. Once successfully logged in, navigate to your site's dashboard. Here, you will see various options and settings to manage your site. Our next point of focus is on the site editor, which you'll access from this dashboard. It's the place where all the creativity happens. Now, look to the left side of the editor interface. There, you'll find a menu bar with various icons. Locate and click on the one labeled Pages and Menu. This section is crucial because it organizes all the pages on your site. It's like the directory or main menu of any building, providing an overview of what's inside. By clicking Pages and Menu, you'll see a list of existing pages on your site, as well as options to manage them. If you're starting fresh or want to try something different, consider exploring Wix's pre-designed page templates. These templates offer a great starting point and can be a time saver if you're not in the mood to create a page from the very beginning. However, if you prefer complete creative control, opt for a blank page. This lets you customize everything from scratch according to your unique vision. In the Pages panel, there's an option to add a new page. Go ahead and click it. At this point, you'll need to decide a name for your new page. It could be anything like About Us, Contact, or even something more creative, depending on its purpose. Naming your page is crucial for navigation and enhances user experience by clearly describing what visitors should expect on that page. Once you've settled on the perfect name for your page, type it into the provided field. With the name in place, you simply click Done. And just like that,